Morning world, welcome to Sunday 23rd of April, and let's give you a stampede in a minute. First up, let the birds out, and that is all the birds I got left now. No chickens, no turkeys, just, well, there's one goose sat in the house up there. Yeah, my brother took the last chicken. Didn't seem right to have her all by herself, so he took her and he's put her in with his little flock of birds. Apparently the first thing she did was go in and beat up the cockerel. She's now matriarch of the pen. Oh, good for her. Right, my cattle have been itching to get out here. This is where they want to be. They love it out here. They've got everything. Plenty of grass, shelter, water, and the occasional rambler to chase. I mean, that's everything that'll make an animal happy. Right, the electric fence I did yesterday, you saw that in yesterday's video. And have they cottoned on yet? Yeah, and hopefully, being on the mains and the way I set it up, it's going to work. We'll soon find out. The obligatory warning sign for the walkers. We wouldn't want one of them to get electrocuted, would we? No. Okay, so I can hear it snapping in there, so I know it's working. Did you want to come out to play? Patience, patience. That's my hat. Right, on your marks. Get set. Go. See, now they're happy. Who's going to remember the electric fence? Who's going to touch it first? Ow, 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 ow. Not funny. Nope, nope, it's not funny. It's dead serious. Little cow, I don't want to go under there. Don't linger. Right, well, hopefully it won't take them many hours to realise that's a bad thing. Don't go near that. Don't go under there. Either that or I'm going to come back and I'm going to find the whole lot flat on the floor and they're going to be all over the place. So basically we've split the golf course. There's about 12 acres of grazing out here. So we split it more or less in half. So they've got about 6 acres-ish that side, about 6 acres that side. So the idea is we'll let them graze this off, tidy it up. I'm going to leave that gate open so they can come through here, and if they want to get in the shed into shelter, they can. And as the weather improves, we'll close the shed off, then we'll muck all that out, clean that out, ready for, well, what's coming next. Yeah, that's the plan. Right, that's the first bit done today. Poultry done, cattle there done. Now I've got to go to the farm and do some fence repair over there because cattle got out last night. Well, one animal got out last night. My neighbour very kindly put it back. Oh. Thought it might be a bit high just there. Just, yeah, they got to learn. They will learn. Anyway, we're going over to the farm, do a bit of fence repair, make sure the animals are all right over there. Then it's back here to the farm. Dave's back this morning. 10 o'clock-ish, so I've only got an hour and a half. He's back 10 o'clock, and we're going to carry on repairing as best we can, because it is quite buckled and bowed and buckled. Repairing the skid steer bucket, so right, crack on. Okay, we're going to want, not them, I don't want them. We're going to want that, maybe that, and definitely, where's the hammer? Oh, I have to get the hammer out of there, definitely that. Right, so basically, someone's gone through there, lifted that up, snapped it. I'm going to leave it on there for the time being because it's something visual, they can see it. But I'm going to put a strand of barbed wire a few inches underneath. They've got plenty of room to get their heads in there, but it's just to stop them going out in there. I don't want them in my own grass. And I didn't have my hammer in the car, so yeah, no hammer. So let's do it the old-fashioned way. Plenty of room to get the head in there. I'll put it on that side of the post, give a bit more chance. I think that will deter them from trying to get through that gap again. While we're here, we'll just check and see if there's anywhere obvious that little devil. So it was a calf that got out, one of the little ones, which is odd because to break that rail, one of the small calves, and why would it go over there in the first place? Now there is a public footpath through here. The neighbour thinks that happened last night. There was a kerfuffle last night about 6 o'clock. But did someone walk through with a dog and just spook the cattle, and that's why the calf ended up out there? Anyway, the neighbour got the calf back in this morning. I was just going on giving him a ribeye as a thank you. So it's nice to have decent neighbours that will help you out. It's also nice to say thank you when they do it. So something gone through there? I don't think so. Thing is, why would it? Mum's out here. Why would you run away from Mum? Like I said to the neighbour, we'll never know. We'll never know why it went out there. We just know that it did. Okay, well, 10 days, 2 weeks, hopefully, we'll be mowing that. And we'll be mowing that and that. Well, definitely that, maybe that, but not that. So that piece will be left for the cattle to rotate them around. We'll see how the grass goes, because they seem to be chewing this off pretty quick. Mind you, they've only taken the top bit off. They got plenty more to go yet. They don't particularly like the grass out here. Years and years ago, my uncle kept pigs out here. And he kept pigs out here for a long time. We're talking decades, because that was the piggery over there. And I'm wondering if over the years the pigs have kind of tainted the soil and put a taste in the grass. I mean, I don't eat grass, so I can't really tell you, and they can't tell me. But yeah, maybe we'll put something with a bit of sodium on here later this year, sweeten this up a little bit, see if that helps. Who knows? Nice to see the old pear coming into flower. His days are still numbered. We took the top out of that last year, just took the wind pressure out of it. We also took the top out of this sycamore. I don't think the sycamore is going to last much longer, but it was dead in the top. We thought we'd give it a chance. We'll just take the top out of it, and if it comes back, it comes back. We've left the ivy on because it's habitat. Yeah, trees aren't just there for trees or firewood, they're there for other things to live in. So it's not doing any harm there. Nothing's going to fall off of it now. Well, not this year. Okay, that's it. We're done over here. quick cup of tea with the old man, and then back and we'll do some more welding on that skid steer bucket. Only problem with wire there, it's a potential tag tugger. In it, yeah. One of them smells a bit foot rotty, but I can't see anything. I can smell it, but I can't see it. I thought it was you, but it's not you, is it? She says, I don't care, just carry on scratching my arse and you can stand there as long as you want. And you look all right. Nothing's lame, nothing's hobbling, nothing's carrying a foot. I can just smell it. Unless it's something else I can smell. Perhaps there's something dead in the edge. Right, well, this bit of water is absolutely alive with tadpoles. I mean, they're not really moving in there, but I kid you not, it's alive with them. There's hundreds in there, maybe even thousands of them. Good luck to them. I wonder what our tadpoles are doing at home. Perhaps we should go and check, have a look. They should be okay. As long as the more ends haven't found them. Look, you've got to come in. Come in. You can't go in. Don't grumble. She doesn't like being set in. But I don't want to get in our eye. So yeah, Dave's back and still working on the bucket. I've been in with the missus for the last hour doing paperwork and office work. I love that. So we'll go and catch up, see how he's getting on. What do you mean it's not supposed to be? It's supposed to be straight-ish.
Well, to begin with, yeah.
Straighter.
But if it's not straight, like, you know,
I mean, I'm not working it hard enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I've got to leave him to it. He doesn't actually need any help from me. I've got to do some editing. I'm way behind, and if I don't catch up, there'll be no video tonight, and then people will be messaging me again. You've forgotten, or are you all right, or what's happened to tonight's video? Because, come on, it's kind of expected now, isn't it? Every day. So, how many of you have seen Rich Corlock's video from this morning, Sunday morning, with the pair of nutters announcing that we're going to go and invade Ireland? I mean, all right, I know I'm laughing at myself, and I found myself quite funny in it, but it is kind of, it's a mixed thing. I'm really, really, really looking forward to coming over there and soaking up a bit of the Irish culture and seeing some of the Irish countryside and just being in Ireland. Really, really looking forward to it. I'm just not sure if we're going to get it there completely unscathed. Now, that's not in a violent manner, that, but I've got a funny feeling from some of the messages I've been getting that one or two of you are going to try and lead us astray. Okay, and terms like resistance is futile. Yeah, don't drop me in the shit with Mrs. P, all right? I need to come home in one piece. I got a funny feeling this is biscuits.
Biscuits.
Yeah. I had a message from someone saying, I sent you some biscuits.
Oh, put them in for biscuit.
No. I think these are biscuits for.
Biscuits for people. Not
And he's messaged me a couple times and says, "Have the biscuits arrived?" I go, "No, I've not seen any biscuits." Oh yeah. So just thank you. We'll have to have another cup of coffee later on then and have some biscuits. So, I like biscuits. Wait. Biscuit. Come on. In you come. Come on. She gets so moody when I tell her she can't come then yard with me. Now she's in there taking it on the rest of the dog's leg. Prima donna. High enough? That's just an awkward out for me to get out of there, that is. What's the plan?
You just get back up on those wood blocks.
Right. Where's the hot bits? Okay. That's one. There you go. Fine. We're not going to know ourselves with a straight edge on there. Right. There's not much I can do to help Dave for a second, so I'm just going to come down and see if the cattle have, well, see if they're still respecting that electric fence. Should be. Should be. I've been spotted. I reckon they thought I was a rambler. And now they know who it is. Well, oh no, they still want to come and say hello. Hello, boys and girls. How are we? We've been having fun out there, have we? Hey, you like it out there, don't you? Yeah. Hello, mate. That's steak, that is. Everybody happy? Yeah, not going near that? Good. Hello. Hello. Hiya. You all right? How you doing? Yeah? All good? And no prizes for guessing what you've been up to. You thought I was a rambler, didn't you? You thought you'd come and harass me, didn't you? Yeah. Hello, darling. Hello, Mary. Is that what you wanted? Hey, bit of that? Yeah, she says, I'll have a bit of that any day. Thank you very much. Lovely. You whacking me? Oh, did you just find that? I heard it. Hey, did she? Yeah. Oh, look what you've done. Look. Right, well, they're all more than happy. Right, it is nearly 20 past 6. I think Dave's going to be packing up a minute. He's just filling some holes in. We're not going to finish the bucket today. When I say we, I mean him, because he's been doing pretty much all the work on it. So Thank you, Dave. We're not going to get it all finished today. There's still some patching to do on the back of the bucket and then the side. But I think it's Sunday, nearly 6:20, and I reckon it's time we called it a day. There's always going to be another day we could do some more welding. When I say we, I mean him, of course. Yeah, you understand. Anybody think it was raining? Bedtime, is it? Yeah? Okay. You got some metal in there now. No, I'll have to put quite a bit of effort into bending that, I reckon. I'll have a go, but I reckon yeah, I'll have a go, but yeah.
Got my number.
Yeah, I got your number.